like all of them. Look at that.
Come here, little man.
Good morning, Philippines!
Oh, guwapa ka.
Marikit na lalayan ko. Ilmi na silpo na.
Na.
Marikit na lalayan ko.
Na, nabayot na. Gong, ay pagbinayot. Ay pagbinayot. Oh, meron na silang ano guys, wifi. Yung inano ko sa kanila na wifi is ano, tawag nito. Globe prepaid wifi.
Eh, namanrak po ba?
Yan. Pagtorong da gunggong.
Hindi, mangutang ko din sa tindahan ni Kan.
Sabadha, paminaw.
Ikaw bayad ah.
Han, thank you, Han. Soon. Thanks, baby boy.
O, nangutang lagi ko. Ikaw bayad ah, happy.
Naong ni Muron.
Happy ang buhay.
Paki-subscribe sa channel ko, guys.
Ano, bakit nakawin ko na?
Makita nyo kung sino si Gunggong.
Hello guys, good morning. So ngayon punta tayo sa labas and mag-update tayo sa garden. And si Tammy, busy siya kasi sabi ko gusto ko nang lagayan ng host ko yung binili namin. So ngayon naggumawa siya and dyan ko ihahang yung host. Ayan, itong natin guys, yung camera natin is naka super view siya. Super view dahil gusto kong punta tayo sa garden, update ko kayo kung anong meron. Grabe, si Dodong. Say good morning everything.
Morning, everything.
Anyway, naka-harvest na ako sa garden guys ng ng cucumber, zucchini and tomato. Ito siya maliit pa. Malaki na. Dumadami na yung natin. Tawag nito lemongrass. Talong. Labas tayo guys. Mag-harvest ulit. Kasi meron tayo harvest.
There's a light there, so
The bugs.
they're all dead on the glass.
Look. Ito na siya. Maginaw na siya. Okay na. Harvest muna tayo. Harvest tayo. Saan natin ito ilagay? Harvest tayo. Harvest tayo. Okay. Lagay natin yan Huh? He grew big. I thought they don't grow this big. Yeah, but I guess, you know, it's nice and the baby one is nicer. But I don't realize they grow this big.
That's nice for salad.
Yeah, this one, oh look. They have more over there, but it's still like this. I don't pick it. But when I see this and this, I said, oh, they grew like this. I don't see this when I start harvesting. I don't see it because it's close to the brick.
It was so heavy, you just sat down under the brick.
Yeah. Okay then, this is the garden, guys. Update, that's our garden. Kung ano yung tinanim natin yun sila, may mga bunga na. Pero ito, pang ilang harvest ko na to at saka zucchini. Yan. You so proud?
It's like ice cold, colder than the refrigerator outside. Refrigerator outside's only set to 41 degrees.
Hi guys! So ngayon, di ba nag-harvest tayo guys sa labas ng cucumber. Nag-harvest tayo ng cucumber. So ngayon, binigay namin sa kapitbahay. Guys. And di ba ang laki? Meron tayong clip doon sa GoPro. And binigyan din kami. Pag yung kapitbahay namin babae, pumunta doon sa gate, sa ano. Ito yung binigay niya. Galing din sa garden niya, look. Galing din sa garden niya. Binigay siya na tomato and string beans. Ito lang yung tomato nila, dalawa. Pero binigay pa talaga sa amin. Kaloka na to. At saka sabi ni Tami, marami akong tomato. Gamitin nyo na to. Kasi marami akong tomato talaga. And then, so kapag mahinog na yun, ibigay ko sa kanila yung tomato ko. And then yun, ang lalaki ng mga cucumber ko, diba? So, meron na tayong pang dinner na gulay. And, nag-harvest din ako nito. Hindi ko na binigay. Kasi, ano ko siya, gisa. And then, kasama itong zucchini. At saka mga ito, look. What happened here? What happened over here? What is the one that, why is it stuck? What was the problem? Oh, you don't look at it yet? Oh, it's really ruined, hon.
What?
Look at this.
That's the way it was.
No, it's kind of shit now.
That's the way it always was.
Okay, why you cover that?
I'm trying to make it so it stays.
You know if it's wet is a problem. That means...
You see all this dead grass in here?
So, alis lang kami. And alis lang kami. Anyway, so let's go take mga bahog tik-tik. Let me see if I have my wallet here. Hala. Where's my wallet?
You went out yesterday, so you should have had it with you.
No, it's not there because it's supposed to be on top.
In your pocketbook?
Careful, I have my camera there.
Yep.
Okay.
Amazing is where it's supposed to be. Figure that out.
Are you amused?
Shocking.
Are you shocked? We don't need to cut our grass and it's greener if we don't cut.
Oh, we know it gets greener if we don't cut it because it's not get burned.
So, si Tami, andun siya sa sa tindahan sa Shepherd siya ngayon. Sakit ng yung legs ko is gumagrabe. Is this right here? Is this nice? Dito tayo sa Lowe's tayo, guys. Oh, my hand. They have that flower that they have. Oh my God. It's very popular in social media now. Ito yung pinaka guys. Ang dami ngayong gumagawa nito. Saan okay. So, ito siya. 14 bucks. Ito yung hinanap ko. Ito, paninda na. This is, I like this. I will do it. Hala, this is the one, 5 fingers or no? Not 5. I like all of them. Look at that. It's so nice. Oh, marami pa dito. Oh, they have it right here. They have it. It's nice for the living room. How much is this? 50 bucks. And you can put flowers here, little teeny tiny succulent. You know. We can put succulent here. We can find a good one in online, and promise we can. Yes, we can. You find the look what you're looking for? I thought that was big.
What?
You see that one? What is this?
Is that the air filter?
This is nice to look. It's bigger. What? This is nice, oh.
You got Adams too. I got them too.
Anyway, guys, we are done over here. Yeah. There's a lot of holes. So we're heading to Home Depot, and this is what it looks like. Ibang store na naman tayo. Dito. Yun. How much is this? $2? That's it.
Bad bamboo would be nice.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Okay, I'm going to hold this because I like this. It's a lily, right?
What?
A daily lily. I like it. Gusto ko yan sa front porch namin, guys. Dalawa lang. Uwi na kami. Ito lang yung binili namin. Okay, my husband have to check my leg because it's not really good feeling right now. Meron akong gloves dahil ayaw kong magkaroon ng something yung kamay ko. Yun. And meron tayong ito. Ito siya. So, ang ginawa ko is ganito, guys. Kasi nasa likuran siya at hindi ko siya makikita. So, yun. Ito yung, oh my God, ang ginawa. Yan siya, wala na. Ang hapdi. Hindi ko, I don't know kung makikita ninyo, guys, pero oh my God, oh my God.
Well, it still looks like some kind of poison ivy-ish thing, huh? It's some kind of a rash. I don't know what kind of rash, but some kind of rash.
Is it bad? Mag-stir fry tayo ng itong bigay ng kapitbahay, and then actually ito siya galing sa garden. Ito din galing sa garden ko. And ito din. And ito. Ang bigay lang ng kapitbahay is itong string beans. At saka dalawang tomato. Dalawang ganito. Yun siya. And then, ikakat ko lang sila, guys, para igisa sila. Yun. Ito na, guys, yung galing sa kapitbahay. Ito. And ito. Ito galing dito. So, yun. From table to mouth. Farm to table to mouth. Look properly, hon. Tommy is making some Spanish rice. Tommy loves his son so much that Hobbs is just sitting down on top of the stairs, and of course Tommy have to show his food.
Hello, man. Hobbs. Come here, little man.
He need to shoot. Tommy need to show him his food. Come here.
Come on.
Humpty Bug, come. Oh my God. Go down now. Come down. Right here.
All right, then Dimples can have your food.
Honey, oi.
Okay.
Whatever. Hi, Dim. Did you eat your food, Dim? Did you eat your food? Okay, so guys, so Tommy made his Spanish rice. And pasensya na sa kitchen, ang dumi-dumi.
I didn't make anything. No peppers. No peppers.
Kailangan din itong rice ni Tommy. And yun yung rice namin. And yun. Ganyan lang. And ito, okay pa ito. Mainit pa. Han? How's the vegetables? You have more over there. It's so hot. Oh, yeah, huh? This is not good.
I'm sorry.
Did you see fly in front of us?
We're dying to get out of here.
Hello guys! So, we've been just watching the Transformer. Yun lang yung mga pinapanood namin, Transformer. Ngayon, ito naman last night something. Manood kami. And, yun lang guys. And, I will see you tomorrow. Good night na. Sabid na tayo mag-end. Wala naman kami gagawa. Nanonood kami ni Tommy. Tapos na yung pinapanood namin. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Good night. Roxy. Rock. Hey. Roxy. Where's Dada? No.